September. I feel like I'm reiterating myself way too much. Hey guys, so we're kicking off September with a unboxing, and we have our Boxycharm here, which I'm very excited to open because it is Boxyluxe this month. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna pull up my information so that way you guys know what the details are on it, what it weighs. I'm pretty sure I can figure out how much it weighs this time. Last month it was like really weird because last month I got all of my tracking information after my boxes came, and I was like, well, that doesn't help me. So this box weighs 3.14 pounds. This box is this is the box that I purchased on my own. If you guys watch my unboxings, then you guys know I do have two unboxings that I usually do for Boxycharm here. One of them is sent to me through Boxycharm, and then I have my own subscription. I did end up getting the Boxyluxe, and then I put the premium box on hold for right now because I was just getting so many boxes, you guys. I'm sure some of you guys feel the same way as me. I was getting so much stuff from Boxycharm, and I was getting so much stuff from all the different subscription boxes. I was like, I've got to cut it out because I wasn't able to go through any of the products, and I wasn't able to keep up with it. Right now I have the premium on hold, and then I just restarted Ipsy, so Ipsy will be coming back here this month. So let's get opening to it. I got like a hair in my mouth. My setup is a little bit different for this unboxing only because I just got off work. I haven't had time to reset everything up, and I was actually this weekend filming like a get ready with me, kind of just updating everybody on what the hell's going on in my life, and I just thought it'd be kind of fun to do it more like chatty and just more me sitting in front of a mirror doing my makeup and just chitter chattery. But all right, so here is the card. This month's theme says glam vibes only, and it says Boxycharm, and then on the back is all the information, which I'm just gonna put right here, and we'll talk about pricing at the very end, which I normally do. So the first thing I see here, this better be a good one. Yeah, it is. Okay, so this is, first thing I see here is by Fenty. This is their Fenty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo. I have the shade Afternoon Snack and Mo Honey. Ooh, this is pretty. Look at that. I feel like it might be a little dark on me. The top one is going to be Afternoon Snack, and then Mo Honey is this one right here, which you can see it's a little bit brighter, a little bit more intense. The top one, the Afternoon Snack, has definitely got more of that buttery texture, whereas the bottom one, Mo Honey, has more of like a little bit of a chunkier formula, if that makes sense. Not chunky, I don't want to say chunky, but you could definitely see that there's a lot more like gold reflex and stuff to it. So yeah, I'm probably not going to be able to use that on my face, but I'll definitely try to use that as like a shadow or something. Next up I have, what is this? This is by Persona Cosmetics. Maybe, does it come alone? I don't know. And this has a blush side, and then there is a highlighter side. So this is the highlighter side. It's a little bit flatter. And then the blush side is more fluffier and tapered. It's really soft. All right. Not sure what that's for yet, but I'm pretty sure there's a reason that we need that. So we'll put that to the side. Next up I have is Kitsch, I think it's how you say, Kitsch Cleanse Ritual. This is Ice Roller for your overworked sensitive skin. Surgical stainless steel roller. Totally use this for underneath my eyes. Oh, this is big. This is massive. I used to have something like this, and it was wider though. It was like much bigger like this, and it was just so wide and bulky. I like that it's a little bit smaller, so I feel like it would sit perfectly underneath my eyes. And especially right now with like the weather and allergies and all that stuff going around and the weather changing and stuff, my eyes are so puffy, and not to mention I stay up to like 2 a.m. on TikTok. But this would definitely be good for like first thing in the morning, just kind of, you know, applying it before I get my day started. All right, I'll try that out. All right, next thing I have here is this palette. This thing. This is Hip Dot Zion Pressed Pigment Palette. Oh, this is pretty. All right, so this is cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, talc-free, mineral oil-free, and phthalates-free. Oh, wow, I like that. So let's do some swatching really quick. We'll just pull that up really quick. All right, so we've got Sandstone here. Oh, it's really buttery. Virgin, haven't been that in a while, Canyon, Maze. This is like the first color I spotted. I was like, oh, this is gorgeous. It's like a mustard yellow. This deep purple is called Surreal. You have Wanderlust right here. It's like muted purple. Oh yeah, that's pretty. Look at that. Just for the fun of it, I want to try this Angel's Landing. It's like a fiery red orange right there. Do you see that? All right, so there you have just some of the shadows it's beautiful. I'm totally on board with this palette. I love that you can do like these orange, like this very lighter tone right here. You can do some oranges right there. You got your purples that you can play around with. Some maybe like light pink colors. You've got some really great options in here, and there's a lot of colors that complement each other in here. So moving on, we have the Kate Somerville All Types Exfoliate Intensive Exfoliating Treatment. I want to say that I got this in last month's box too. I want to say I got it because I have like 4 of these. I like this stuff. I can't keep it on my skin as long as I used to. I feel like my skin has definitely gotten a little bit more sensitive because you kind of like buff it into your skin and then you can leave it on for, I want to say like up to 2 minutes. Yes. And it like tingles, has that like tingling sensation. It definitely makes my skin red. Like it used to not bother me as much, but the older I've gotten, I've found that my skin is very sensitive to stuff like this. So I put it on my skin, I exfoliate it for just maybe like 10 seconds, and I maybe leave this on for a minute. Like I don't know what's going on with my skin, but it is all whack. Next thing I have here is by Milk Makeup. This is the Matcha Purifying Face Mask. It's a solid clay mask stick. It cleanses the pores, control oils, calms redness for a fresh complexion. Ooh, I saw some people like playing around with this and I was like, ooh, I want to try that. It's just a green thing. Pretty cool. I like the feel of this. I like this like very, I don't know what this feel is. So this is by Pure Cosmetics. This is the Complexion Authority. This is a makeup case holder. I know that because I had something like this from BH Cosmetics a long time ago. It had polka dotted handles for the brushes. So we get quite a few different brushes to choose from. I'm just gonna pull these out so you guys can see them really quickly, but I mean, just like pulling them out, I wouldn't necessarily say that the quality feels like they're the best brushes. So you get 4 of these face brushes. This is like a foundation brush, contour brush, blush brush, and then a powder brush, 8 of the eye brushes. I love the box. I mean, I've used the box before because I had another one, like I said, that was like it. It won't damage your brushes when you travel, not like anybody's really traveling right now. But so last thing I have here is by 111 Skin. This is the Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. And you get a set of 5 masks in here, and it's supposed to help reinforces and protects the skin barrier, diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It's got 24 karat gold, which enhances the skin radiance to brighten and even the skin tone. So I assume you would pair these together. I'm not like the biggest fan of sheet masks. I force myself to use them, but I'm not somebody that's like, oh, I need sheet masks. Like I don't go out and buy them myself, if that makes sense. If they're sent to me, I'll use them. But I've always, and still, I still prefer a traditional mask. So I got 8 items in my box. I would say a lot of them are name brand stuff. Like you got Pure Cosmetics, you know, Kate Somerville, Milk Makeup, Fenty. I still feel like I paid $50. I got my $50 worth of product, and I do like that it had Fenty in it. I can't use it on my cheeks, but it's fine. But the Milk Makeup is something I've been wanting to try. The brushes I will definitely use, and the eyeshadow palette's really pretty. I've never heard of the brand, but I like the eyeshadow palette, really. All right, so the Kate Somerville Exfoliating Treatment retails for $85. Hip Dot palette retails for $30. The Persona Power Brush retails for $24. Fenty Kilowatt retails for $36. The Milk Makeup retails for $26. The Pure Cosmetics 12-piece brush set retails for $49. I would never pay $49 for that. I just want to go at that really quick. The Rose Gold 111 Skin is $135 for the 5-pack, which I was totally expecting. We've gotten 111 before in our boxes, and I'm using up their eye cream. I'm almost done with their eye cream. I mean, I've got less than a month left on that eye cream, and I know that eye cream was like $120 some. I would never pay that money for that eye cream. I'm sorry to 111 Skin, but that is so expensive for eye cream. And then the Kish roller is $18. So I will have another box coming as well for Boxycharm, which will just be the regular box. So if you guys don't have Boxyluxe and you're still wanting to see a regular unboxing, that one is coming, and just keep the notifications on. You guys can subscribe to my channel if you guys are new, which I hope you will, and make sure you give the video a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. It lets me know that you guys still enjoy these unboxings, and I hope you guys will stick around with my channel and hang out for a while. I will see you guys all in my next video. Thank you so much for all of your love and support. Can you hear my kids? Thank you all so much for your love and support. I will see you guys all in my next video, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.